What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today's arm day, we've got biceps and triceps. I've got 4 or 5 exercises picked out for us already. So grab your dumbbells. If you're a beginner, just use lighter weights. Use water bottles, use 1s, 5s, something light so that you're comfortable, okay? Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with single to double presses, bring the dumbbells up by your ears. Once you have them by your ears, we're gonna press one arm up at a time and then both of them simultaneously. This is a great exercise for the biceps, the shoulders, all of it. I'm still sore from this workout. You guys have no idea. We got 3 sets. We got 3 sets of 6. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then let's get into set 2. It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. All right, set 2, you guys. Make sure that you're keeping the dumbbells near your ears, and when you're not moving one arm, it's hovering in the air. Keep your back straight and push through this. We've got 2 more sets. If only we could understand the breath. It's possible that we may never know the depth. So fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. However, I know this can be a little bit tough because arms are my weakest link. If you need to take a 30-second rest, take a 30-second rest. Getting started on set 3. We've got 6 more left, you guys. Don't give up. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Next up, we have bent over rows. For this exercise, bend over. Make sure you keep your back pretty straight when you come up and pull those dumbbells up. You guys see my back is kind of curving when I go all the way down towards my feet. And when you pull your arms up, keep your back straight. You don't want to pull anything or hurt yourself, okay? If you need lighter weights, use lighter weights. We've got 3 sets of 12. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then let's get into set 2. All right, set 2 is here and we're getting it. Make sure your form is solid. Slightly bend your knees. You guys can see my legs are not completely straight, so don't hurt yourself with this one, you guys. Slightly bend your knees. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. However, I know this can be a little bit tough because arms are my weakest link. If you need to take a 30-second rest, take a 30-second rest. All right, set 3. We've got 12 more, you guys. I always dance between sets, so I try to edit a lot of it out because it's kind of embarrassing, but you know, gotta keep myself entertained. And you have no idea the funky music I'm listening to while I'm working out. It just gets me so pumped. All right, guys, keep going. We're almost done. Nice job. Give yourself a full 30-second rest. Your yoga mats because we are going to be doing some assisted push-ups. I love assisted push-ups because I'm too weak to do a real one. So put the dumbbells down on the ground in front of you, put your knees down, put your feet up, and do an assisted push-up. Keep your back straight. My back is nice and straight, and depending on what you're trying to work out, we're trying to work out them triceps, so keep your arms nice and close to your body. We've got 3 sets of this one. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest, and then let's get into set 2.
I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on.
Getting into set 2, a little trick here, you guys. If you look forward instead of looking down, it's better for your airways, so it's easier for you to breathe, as well as the weight distribution on your body is even. Our head is the heaviest part of our body, so if you're looking straight, you're gonna get more of a workout. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. However, I know this can be a little bit tough because arms are my weakest link. If you need to take a 30-second rest, take a 30-second rest. All right, guys, last set, 12 more, and we're done with this one. Nice job. Give yourself a full 30-second rest. Coming down onto your back, we're going to do some close grip presses. So bringing your dumbbells together, we're going to bring them down to your chest and push them back up. This exercise is fairly easy, so if you can increase your weight, it's a great exercise, you guys. It gets that inner shoulder, like that pocket where sometimes if you close your arm, you know, you fold your arm, you have like that armpit fold. This works out that armpit fold. You know what I'm saying? Where my sports bra ends and my arm begins, that area right there, ooh, it's such a good workout. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest, and then let's get into set 2.
It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink
All right, moving into set 2, we've got 15.
It's possible that we may never know the depth. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of night in the Milky Way.
Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. However, I know this can be a little bit tough because arms are my weakest link. If you need to take a 30-second rest, take a 30-second rest. Last set, you guys, last 15, let's get it. Great job. Give yourself a full 30-second rest. All right, last but not least, we have our wide presses. So bring the dumbbells into your hands, bring your elbows out. Your elbows should be in line with your shoulders, and then you're going to press up. When you come up, bring those dumbbells together. I hate this alarm system. Bring those dumbbells together and then come back down and expand them back out. This is hitting the shoulder, the chest, as well as the arms. This is like my favorite workout, honestly. It's just so good for your boobs. It helps build the muscle. It helps lift them up. It's a great exercise for guys and girls. Guys, you want to build your pecs. Girls, you want to have perky boobs. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest, and then let's get into set 2. All right, getting into set 2, pro tip, you guys, pro tip. When you come down after a rep, don't let your arms hit the ground and then push back up. That's a cheat, and you don't want to give yourself any rest. You want the resistance to be on your arms at all times, so just keep them hovering right over the ground and then push them back up. Don't let them, oh my God, don't let them rest. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. However, I know this can be a little bit tough because arms are my weakest link. If you need to take a 30-second rest, take a 30-second rest. All right, guys, this is our last set. We got the last 10 right here. Push through it. We can do it. And that's it, you guys. That's it for today's arm workout. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.